Here is a full unboxing of the SHIELDON genuine leather wallet case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, it comes in a very nice box, with SHIELDON branding, black with orange highlights. Cutting open the seal, we can now use the small tab on the bottom to pull the inside tray out of the box. The phone case is wrapped in a tissue paper covering. Tearing the paper off, we reveal the phone case. This is the retro red color. The case itself is high quality and the leather is sturdy and durable. Opening it up, we find a couple of things inside the case. First, the right-hand side has some foam packaging that can be removed, and an envelope with info in it. On the left-hand side, you have a set of 3 pockets for credit and ID cards, along with a small info card letting you know that the pockets are RFID blocking. In addition, the left-hand side has a full-length pocket where you can store cash or other items. Next, we open the small envelope that was on the right-hand side to find 3 cards. The first card is a service card. Flipping it over, it lets you know not to put too many cards in the card holders, otherwise the wallet will bulge, and the magnetic may not hold tight. The second card has the SHIELDON logo on one side, and the other side contains information about the natural leather case, and how to care for it if it gets wet. The final card is a thank you card that also tells you about the lifetime warranty and what it covers. Now, let's take a look at the case itself. You will notice that the case has a small piece of scrap leather attached to it. This shows the quality and authenticity of the real natural leather used in the product, and also can be used as a color sample, or for testing any cleaning or oiling products. Examining the right side of the case, the side the phone will be in, we see that there is a flexible yet durable plastic case that the phone will go into for protection. It is attached to the leather wallet and cannot be removed. Overall, this was a solid and well-made case with nice packaging. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was informative.